reasons.
Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement. Storm takes back the lead.
Unbelievable! McQueen is fading! McQueen is fading! Fading fast!
Listen, don't you worry, pal. You had a good run. Enjoy your retirement. Storm takes back the lead.
Unbelievable!
Catch me out downtown, bitch. Yeah. Shit heavy.
This app turns your phone.
Among all the guys you are talking to in your DMs, I'm the one you are telling you are hungry. Do I sell food? Do I look like someone that bakes bread? Do I look like I'm into catering? I'll block you. I'll block.
What's really crazy is that your excuses are probably actually incredibly valid. They're just excuses nonetheless. Like, you probably are overworked. You probably do have way too much on your plate. You probably don't have the access or resources or money that somebody has that has seen success in what it is that you want to do. But my question for you is what does that change? When has the world ever bent to your circumstances? The process is still the process. You might have to work 10 times as hard as somebody else to get what you want. And no, that's not fair. It's absolute BS. And I'm sorry that that's the case. But does that change the reality that that is the case? No. At some point, you're met with a certain decision. You're either somebody who takes what you got and you decide to trust yourself and decide that you're going to move through every obstacle and focus on your own story, or you're going to continue to be somebody who looks at other people who have pushed past their obstacles and look for little reasons as to why their story is different than yours so that you can validate why it is that you continue to stand still and not take a single action or step forward. And the thing is, no one really cares what your answer is. The only person who has to live with whether or not you take action or not is you. No one's coming to save you, and no one's going to punish you. It's totally up to you.
I'm on no more argument, so my boxing straight. You argue with me, box you up. Box you up. Papa! Quick!
Like Floyd. Like Floyd.
Nah, not like Floyd, nigga, like me, nigga.
Yeah, like you.
Shit,
you.
nigga.
Yes.
Yeah, nigga. I'm on no more argument, so my boxing straight.
My name is Salifu Hamid. I am 69 years old. I've been in this.
La porterai comment vous en mode bandeau. La manière. La porterai comment vous en mode bandeau. La manière classique. En mode flambard. Comme une bergère.
Have you seen my mind? Horse color mind? Horse color mind, hey! Man, I'm in a sign. Depending design. Horn, I'm in a sign. Follow me, no shy. Horse color boy. Horse color fight. Horse color fight. Horse color fight. Have you seen my mind? Horse color mind? Horse color mind, hey! Man, I'm in a sign. Depending.
Chat, y'all want to know what we used to do back in high school? This is literally what we do back in high school. Wait,
that nigga just farted.
don't be mad. Damn.
You know the people where they bust my head? People that will carry their full chest, raise their shoulders high in a bid to speak big English. They will look at you and say, I am Joshua by name. What other thing will you be Joshua by? No, tell me, what other thing will you be Joshua by? Will you be Joshua by complexion? See, I can't even tolerate people that say, my names are. I can tolerate those ones. But you that say you are Joshua.
Let me tell you something about nature. Nature never allows you to fall on your face if you take risks. Never. It goes like this. If you laugh, you risk appearing to be a fool. If you weep, you risk appearing to be sentimental. If you reach out for another, you risk rejection. If you love, you risk not being loved in return. If you place your dreams in front of the crowd, as we do, you risk ridicule. If you go forward in the face of overwhelming odds, you risk failure. But risk must be taken, for the greatest hazard in life is to risk nothing. The person who risks nothing, has nothing, does nothing, is nothing. That person may avoid suffering pain and embarrassment, but that individual will not learn, grow, feel, love, or change. Only the person who takes risks is truly free. Let me tell you something about nature. Nature never allows you to fall on your face if you take risks. Never. It goes like this. If you laugh,
Hey, there's no way without you. Hey, there's no way without you.
I'm thinking drink. I'm thinking Fanta.
I'm thinking Christmas. I'm thinking Santa.
I'm thinking both. I'm thinking faster.
I'm thinking Accra. I'm thinking greater.
I'm thinking pray. I'm thinking pasta.
I'm thinking Rema. I'm thinking Bangla.
I'm thinking London. I did Tantra.
He's thinking Efia. I'm thinking Banta.
Then give me light. I'm thinking laser.
I'm thinking black. I'm thinking black.
No. I'm thinking drip. I'm thinking Prada.
I'm thinking bread. I'm thinking butter.
I'm thinking the Lord. I'm thinking supper. I'm thinking food. I'm thinking pasta. I check my one. It's disaster.
I'm thinking book. I'm thinking writer.
I'm thinking Wally. I'm thinking Shatter. Who take him?
I'm thinking phone. I'm thinking Nokia.
Yo.